All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you how to align your type using baseline. So I have this box here. I'm going to convert this into an area type, but just so you know, you can go to your type tool, click on it, and then click and drag, and you have a type box. It's called an area type box. So, but for this scenario, I'm just going to click this. I'm going to hit copy, and then I'm going to hit paste in front. Now I have two right on top of each other. I'm going to go over here, hit the area type. You can't click right on the center of it. You got to click on the actual path, and then I can type, right? So and it just fits right in that box. But I'm going to copy this text because I don't like the way this looks. Much easier to read. Okay. Oops. Get rid of that. Get rid of this. Now, here we go. The box is the same exact size as the orange rectangle. That's why I wanted to do that. And there's two ways you can do some alignment here. Area type options via the type menu. You pull that open, and you can align to bottom, center, whatever. But so you can see this bottom. So now it's aligned to the bottom, but that might not be exactly what you want, right? So we have a character palette here. If you don't know where that is, you go to Window and you pull down to Type, and you get character, and you have paragraph. Paragraphs for basic paragraph alignment and hyphenation. That's a good one. And but up here, character, and then make sure your options are open. See that? Show options. And now we're going to come down here and we're going to hit the baseline. We're going to move it. So let's move it up a little bit. The baseline, man, like I said, is just where the type sits. So now I've got it right there at the bottom. So that was easy. And notice that you can really go out like all the way outside the box. You can go to a negative value, right? I'm going to hold shift because it bumps it down faster in increments of 10. But like I've basically overridden the fact that there's even a box there. Yeah, it's just for fine-tuning control. Don't have to be inside the box if you don't want it to with the baseline shift. However, if you ever get a file like this and you see that, you're like, why is this happening to my box? Where is it? It's your baseline shift. So character, make sure you pop the options open, and then you can just set your baseline shift to 0, and possibly you might need to go here if you're trying to solve this problem, or you're trying to do it on purpose. Both ways, I mean, obviously. Yeah, and then don't forget about our wonderful type options. So that's it. That's a baseline shift, and it just makes aligning, especially within boxes, like very, very fine-tuned, and it works on paths as well, typing on paths and shapes. So hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.